plantain dey enter your eye. So this plantain and this palm oil sauce na be the kind food wey our papa our mama dey eat those days. See my sister, if your husband say na aka gun, your man say no dey like to release money, come make this recipe for am. If he say no, say him dey talk say you no sabi do anything, my sister carry chair learn this recipe. Tell am say YouTube don teach you work. Na maybe this so I don dey peel the plantain. As you see, this my plantain e not too ripe, na 60% ripe. Anyhow wey you want, you fit do your own, but na so me I just like am. So na me be this, I come put the plantain, I put am for inside tray. As the plantain just fine, just dey look yori for eye. Now I come carry blender o, I come put pepper, put garlic, I put onions, I put groundnut oil, wetin oyibo dey call vegetable oil, I put maggi, no stock cube, anyone wey you like make you call am. I no stop for there, my brother my sister, I come put wetin dey call rosemary, because e need to dey give in as dem dey talk am. I put salt. I no stop because we dey carry am go Harvard. Now I come put curry so that everywhere go dey sell me. So after them, now I come carry am, I put am for my plantain. I tell you now, stay with me, not go anywhere. As I put am finish, my sister and me no fit use hand rub pepper. Now I carry brush wey follow my spoon, come I use am rub am. Everything come dey look sexy. I come dey massage am, everything come dey look good. I come arrange am for wetin dey call rack. Everybody get am for inside their oven. I can't arrange am. But see, if your mother-in-law dey wicked too, you dey talk say you no dey ever know how to cook. My dear, so I say na from Nigeria, make this recipe for am. He go love you. He go dey say, my wife, you sabi, you know say na YouTube na you for learn am. So after everything, I line am up. I come dey use the remaining sauce wey remain for inside the tray. I come use am rub am. After I rub am finish, I come put am inside my oven. Say I fine. After I put am for inside oven, I come put oil, palm oil. I put am for fire. I put onions. I fry am very well. Now I come put that pepper wey we grind that time. E get everything. I put am. I come stir am. This pepper you go allow am fry. I fry papa, fry mama head. After I fry am finish, see o. My son wey do cameraman for me come turn my camera upside down. You want that put pepper for my eye for here, but nevertheless, so me I not fit change am. It don already happen. Now I saw fit put am here for all of una. When you put onions, now that one go be the last thing. I not put any other thing. I not put salt again. I not put maggi. Now so everything just stay done. It come sweet. So after everything, I can't go check on my plantain. I can't see say the plantain it don dey done. I can't carry some of that pepper just now. I can't put am for plate. Carry brush. I can't use am take dey rub and set am up. You know wetin they call am, access a pea. I can't set am up. Everything come fine. I can't turn am. I do the other side too. I rub everything finish. I can't put am for oven for some time. After everything, the plantain come out, can't look so yummy. It can't look so beautiful. Can't look so sexy. My dear, my darling, if you never subscribe to Blessing Ogboro channel, then you dey play. Abeg go subscribe. So now our plantain be this. Stay with me some other time. Bye bye. I love you people. Mona, stay blessed to cook this for your children. They go call you big mommy. They go sell you sweet tea. They go